In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can remove a background from a picture in Adobe Express. So first go to adobe.com/express, and then here you can go to the Adobe Express browser app, or you can simply use your Adobe Creative Cloud app to access Adobe Express. And then when you're in Adobe Express, the first thing you see is remove background. So we'll click this one, and then you can either browse for your picture or just drag it in. And as soon as you drag it in, it will begin removing the background. And as you can see here, it did a good job of removing that background. Now, I've seen a couple of questions of people on how to remove this checker pattern. If you download this picture, it's just transparent. It won't have a checker pattern. And you can download it by clicking download here. You can also give it another background if you want. So now it's on transparent, but say you want cotton candy, you just click that, and then your background will be changed to the cotton candy or the magic forest or all the other options you have here. If you want to have it transparent, just click transparent. You can also open it in the editor, in which you can change a couple of things. But let's look at the other option we have. So I'm going to close this. Let's say you want to make a social media ad, for instance, an Instagram story. You click this template here, and then you can also again drag in the picture you want to use, like this. And then when you have this picture selected, you get the edit option, remove background, here to the left. So now I'm going to click this, and as you can see, it's thinking, and it also removed this background for me. Now my background is white. If you want to have this one transparent, you can go on top of here and choose background color, and then you click this no fill, and it will be transparent. Again, this checker pattern won't be visible if you download it. It will just be transparent, so no background at all. Those are two options you have in Adobe Express to remove the background from a picture. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.